Welcome to 21180 Lookout Trail in the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. This property is on the Terry Peak Ski Mountain. Terry Peak Ski Mountain has 2 lodges for you guys to enjoy, and from this house, it's pretty much walkable. Let's take a look at all of the beautiful features that you guys could potentially purchase if you wanted to be up here in Terry Peak. And again, guys, this is a great place to be investing, whether it's a full-time investment, whether you want it for your family. This is the place that you guys are truly going to want to be. So let's take a look. One of the things I love is that every house up here always has a hot tub. You cannot be in the Black Hills on a ski mountain without a hot tub, and this stays. Let's head in and take a look at some of the other great features in the house. So when you first come in, this is a 3-level home. So we come in essentially the basement. And what I love about this house is this area can be completely locked off. So if you wanted to use it as a rental, you could lock this off with all of your stuff, your own sheets, your own bedding, your own clothes. You wouldn't even have to bring a suitcase. This home is also being sold completely turnkey. So all the furniture you see, the foosball table, the washer and dryer here in the laundry room, you get everything. And with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, you can sleep, 10 people if you needed to. So now let's head up to the middle, or what we would consider the main level. Up here, you're gonna find the main living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, along with another bathroom and a bedroom. Another great thing about this property are the views. You guys have to come check this out. And you're not gonna get the views just from right out of here, but this deck completely wraps around. And so you're gonna get views from 365 degrees of these beautiful Black Hills. And now finally, we're gonna head to the 3rd floor, which is a loft that has 2 beds. So it's a great space for kids or a game room specifically. A lot of snow out there, but that's what we're here for. You can't ski without that stuff. So again, up here in the loft area, they have 2 beds, which are queen-size beds. And then if you didn't want to lock off that basement area with the other 2 bedrooms, this is also a giant owner's closet for you to keep anything that you needed to. Again, suitcases with your own clothes so you're not lugging stuff, additional paper towel, toilet paper, snacks, things like that. Well, thanks for coming along on this tour of 21180 Lookout Trail. Again, Terry Peak, this is the place that you guys are going to want to be. This is an active, fully turnkey Airbnb, ready to go. You're gonna buy this with bookings. Click like, click subscribe, follow all of our videos, and if you have some questions on this property, feel free to drop a comment.